Hello everyone, welcome back. It's your girl Tasha and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to you as well. Okay, so today is going to be a little different. It's also going to be normal, so don't be alarmed. I will be doing videos like these all the time because I feel like it is so important. And first, I would like to say, if you're new here and you haven't already, make sure to subscribe as well as hit your bell notification so that you are notified of when I do post. And also feel free to share these videos because I feel like this information is important for everyone. Today we're going to be doing a hygiene video. Yes, that's right, we are going to be doing a hygiene check. And what made me remember about doing these is because it is such a nice day today and it's pretty hot and it's only going to get hotter, and I'm like, you know what better time than to remind y'all to stay fresh, because sometimes you be going out there thinking, oh, I look cute, I look fresh, I look nice, but if something is wrong with that smell, I'm telling you, the whole outfit is gone. It is gone to the dogs. Sis, no, you don't want to be that girl. You don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be that person overall. If you want to know how to stay fresh all day, look your best, all well rounded, put together, make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video, because if you miss something, if you miss a step, the whole thing is thrown off. You don't want to miss nothing. And I'm going to keep it pretty simple today, but if you want to see more in-depth videos on how to stay fresh and my routines and what I do to stay fresh and so clean, make sure to subscribe and hit your bell notification so that you are notified, because these tips are helpful, sis. They can go on. Today we're going to be covering how to stay fresh, and we're going to keep it very basic today. All right, I got my notes here because I want to make sure that I don't forget anything for y'all. And if I do miss it, just make sure to tune in on other videos because I will make sure that I do address it. First of all, if you get these tips and you're doing good for the summertime, just know that you'll be good all year round, because these are summer tips, so you know it's extra hot, extra humid out there. So these are what I do and what works best for me. Okay, so don't be here dragging me like, sis, you ain't supposed to be doing that. Everybody's different, and these are what works for me. And I'm just sharing them with y'all so y'all can take heed to them, or you don't want to take heed to them, you don't. But I'm just letting you know what works best for me. I've learned a few things along the way, so I'm just sharing that with y'all. I'm just sharing it with y'all. So I want to start off by letting you know, when you do get into the shower, first off, I do not use loofahs. If you use a loofah and that works for you, that's great, but I recommend using a washcloth. I use washcloth like these. They're nice and soft, cotton, and I also use scrub mitts like these. I got these ones from Shoppers Drug Mart, if you're from Toronto, Shoppers, and they were actually on sale. They were like $3.99, and I do not use these all the time when I shower because they can be a little bit rough. So depending on your skin and how you scrub, you can go a little bit lighter if you want. And I do recommend taking 2 showers a day when it is hot, because that way you're getting all of the icky dew off for you and you're just feeling more fresh. And when I do take 2 showers, one time I will use the cloth and another time I will use the scrub. They work really great. I like using these, and what I do use them with is I typically use Dove bar soap. I love Dove bar soaps. They lather up really good. They have a really good lather to it, and these smell really great. These are the Shea Butter Beauty Bars. I make sure I have these on deck. I make sure I don't run out of these, sis. If you do not use a bar soap, you can also use these types of Dove soap. They work very good, especially this one with the cucumber on it. I really love this one. It smells very refreshing. And when you do go in the shower, make sure that you lather up your cloth really good with water and the soap. You want to get it really drenched, and you want to step away from the shower. Usually I tilt the shower head so it's not on me when I'm lathering up, because you want to make sure you get every inch of your body. You want to get your neck, you want to get under your arms. You just want to take the time and in circular motions just get everywhere from head to toe, like even in between your toes. So I had the garbage truck in my belly button, behind my ears. You want to just make sure you get all up in there. And then these are really good for getting in between your toes and behind your ears. That's why I like using these. But you just want to take that time and go everywhere, and you want to do it at least 2 times. You do the first time and then you do it the second time. You just want to make sure you get everywhere really good in your back area. You just want to get everywhere and all the way down to your toes, because when you are washing, everything is running down, so you want to make sure that you get all the way down to your ankles. Now I'm going to also show you an extra step. You don't have to do this part because you just want to make sure that you soap up everywhere and get everything off of you. But if you just want to have that extra smell and that extra scrub down, I would suggest using the smoothing coconut coffee scrub. Now when I tell you that this scrub smells so good, it smells good, so good, and it's not harsh on your skin at all. I would recommend doing at least 1 wash. After doing 2 washes with the Dove soap, doing a wash with this. Now you don't have to. I just recommend this if you just want to take it that extra level, because I always want to take it that extra level, so I want to use this, and I make sure I have enough of these on deck, baby, because these, when I tell you, they smell good. I got this from Walmart actually, and they also sell it on Amazon. And these products that I'm showing you, they are not expensive. Like, I am frugal when it comes to certain things. These were like $5.97, I believe, on sale. Okay, so, and that was at Walmart. So yeah, you want to use this. I recommend this body wash soap. It's also very good. So if you have 2 of these combined, this, you're gonna be smelling great, and you just want to scrub. You also want to get a shampoo and conditioner that also smells really good. If not, if you don't have a shampoo and conditioner that smells good, because I know people use certain shampoos and conditioners that don't have certain ingredients in them, and I totally understand. I was like that. I usually don't use certain shampoos and conditioners all the time because I want to give my hair a break, but I also know that certain shampoos don't lather up as great as some, and they don't have a good smell. And in the summertime, I do need that good scent in my hair. What I've been using lately is this Garnier Whole Blends. It is the coconut oil and cocoa butter. I tell you, I love this, and it smells so good. It gives my hair a nice scent, and then I pair it with the Garnier Honey Treasures conditioner. Now what I do with this is, usually when I do get in the shower, sometimes before I lather up with all my soap, I tend to wash my hair first, so that I can put my conditioner in and leave that in. I usually put it in a bun so that it sits in my hair for a couple minutes. So I treat it like a deep treatment. Because I have really big hair, it calms it down for me, and it gives it more moisture. So that's why I really do love this. Plus it smells amazing. It has honey in it. It's just great. And what I recommend you doing is, because your hair, it does sweat from your scalp, so when I do put my shampoo in, I tend to rub it in there, even for a minute, not with my nails, because you don't want to start bleeding and causing cuts in your head. I've done that before because I've been rubbing too hard. So you just want to take your time and just rub it in there, massage it. It also feels really good too, and you just want to get behind everywhere. I suffer with dryness on the side of my ears from my eczema, so I do get in there and I put a lot of conditioner there as well as up here. I do have a lot of that, but you want to make sure you deeply wash it in there. Because have you ever been beside someone and you've actually smelled their hair? Like, your hair does have a scent, and that can throw off everything too. So you just want to make sure that you get in there. And if your shampoo doesn't have a scent, like I said, you want to use just a nice hair, or like a hair perfume. But you can also add that if you just want to go that extra step. Also, my ladies, what I don't recommend, I do not do this, I do not like it, I do not like to shave. So down there, if you have less of a mess, you got less stress, you got less sweat, and I recommend using Nair. I use this one, and you don't want to leave it on too long. You want to follow the instructions on the back. I recommend Nair because if you have more going on down there, you're gonna sweat, and you don't want moisture down there, because that's going to be a problem, and we don't want that. We don't need that. extra, you know, that scent. So you want to make sure you get rid of much hair as possible. And I don't recommend razors because of those razor bumps, and it's just prickly and it's annoying. Usually I would wax. Ever since places were shut down around here, I just got used to my Nair, and I've used Nair before I would wax, so I just got used to this more until I do go out there and wax again, which I don't know. I don't know if I want to do that pain again after just being so comfortable with my Nair lately. So you do want a Nair opposed to shaving. I never agreed with that. Plus it comes back within like a couple days. When you wax, that will stay off for at least 3 weeks to a month. And you know, that is just such an extra hassle to get rid of. And then for the summertime, that is just awesomeness. So when you get out the shower now, I've always had an issue with my underarms. For the longest time, I could not find deodorant that worked right for me. And I know there are deodorants out there that have less, you know, ingredients that are harmful to you, and I do understand if you do use those, but what I use, I love Dove. Now this is my favorite. It actually, let me get that to focus. It works so great. And you want to make sure you use a lot. Like, a lot is more and more. You want to use as much as you need. Just get it all in there. You want to cover up everything. Who cares if it looks messy because it's full of deodorant? Would you rather look like it's full of deodorant, or you want to look like it smells? You want to put loads of deodorant on. And I discovered this one when I actually got it in a gift set from my mom with my Dove soap. It came with this kind of Dove soap, and it came with this, and it also came with a shampoo. And I was just like, wow, like these actually worked. I've tried other Dove products, but these were just amazing. I also recommend using these Dove sprays. This one is actually one of my favorite ones. They do last long, but I do like these over these, but they both work well. So if you're looking for a deodorant that you want to try out and see if it works well for you, I would suggest using these. My armpits were redonkulous before I discovered these, because no matter how much I would use, it just wouldn't work all day. So you just want to put loads and loads of it on. I like 2-layer scents on me, but you want to make sure that it's a scent that's good for you. You don't want to get a scent that is going to give you a headache all day. So I like more vanilla, coconutty smells. What I do is I use, this spray is alright. If I'm layering it with my lotion, it's pretty good. So when I come out the shower, I like to use body oils. And what I do is I put these on certain points. Like I'll put them here. I'll put them like in between here. I'll also put them behind my ear, over here, and like in between my chest area there. And then I would also use a nice smelling lotion, and what I use is this one here. It works very good. As you can tell, I love coconut scents and vanilla scents, so I use this after I use my scent. And then what I also do is when I put on my clothes, because if you spray onto your body and put it on, it's not going to last as long. I do like putting these oils on with my lotion, and then I would top it off with a nice smelling perfume. And the ones that I do like and have been using for a long time is the Riri scents, and I get these at, they're like at the drugstore, and they're pretty cheap. Like they're under 40 bucks usually. It's like probably $20-$30. I would use this and just, I would spray. You want to make sure you get a lot on. We're talking about all day here. And I also use Rouge Love by Rihanna. This is one of my favorites. It smells so good, and you just want to just put on a good, I'll put this stuff on all day because I want to be smelling nice, and you want to be smelling nice too. And there, your breath, you want to make sure that you're using toothpaste, Listerine. The toothpaste that I've been using lately that's actually really good is the Optic White. I just thought I should let you know that I use this toothpaste. It's refreshing, it's good for your teeth as well. And if you build a plaque in between your teeth, that's gonna give off a scent as well. So you want to make sure that you are flossing your teeth and you are brushing your tongue. I'll just show you the floss that I use. I use these Oral Optic charcoal ones. Are actually really good. And if you have to invest into a tongue scrubber, make sure that you have gum in your bag or Mentos or whatever that you use to make sure you have fresh breath. You also want to be drinking a lot of water. You want to drink a lot of water. It's good for you to get rid of all that toxins out of your body. The more water you drink, you'll even notice it when you urinate, get more clear because you are drinking a lot of water. And I know it's probably hard for some people to do that a lot, but what I do is I usually get these jars from IKEA. They're inexpensive, they're pretty cheap, under 10 bucks, and I would fill this at least twice a day. You want to drink a little bit more than that, but if you're at least drinking that, it's better than nothing. I'm not gonna go on and on and on. I'm glad you were able to make it through to the end. You want to make sure that you follow these steps so that you do stay fresh all day, every day. Hygiene is a must. I just wanted to get the basics out there. Self-care is very important, and I just want to end off this video by saying, remember to stay positive, stay bliss, have a great day. I wish the best on all you guys. I love you guys. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. Guys, I do appreciate you guys for watching. Until next time, love you guys. Bye. Mwah.